Now let's have a look at the reports section. So for all those who like numbers and statistics and graphs, you're going to love this. So let's see what this section contains. So on the left hand side, you have this reports option. So if you simply click on reports, you should see this section. So now there are statistics on a database level and your ATS level. So let's have a look at the database analytics first. So here you have, how many total resumes, unique resumes you have in your database, how many came through emails, how many came through Tobu Drive, how many came through web uploads. So there's a split up of all these statistics. You can also see the rate at which these resumes have come in and the days on which these resumes have come, neatly arranged in a graph. You can see the different sources through which you have received these resumes, how many came through email, and which website or which job board exactly sent you the resumes, and so on. You can see even things like how fresh the resumes are. So we even show you how many resumes you have that are less than 6 months old and more than 6 months old. So it gives you a pie chart of that. It also arranges the number of resumes by job titles, by locations of the candidates, and by the seniority levels of the candidates, and so on. So these are some neat statistics to show you exactly what your database has and what you need to work on, and what kind of resumes you are targeting, what kind of candidates you are targeting. You can actually come up with a game plan for that. Right? So this shows you what your database contains. Then you have, the activity statistics. So these are nothing but the ATS statistics, where it shows you the usage by recruiter, how many candidates are in which stage of the recruitment funnel, and your average time to hire, and so on. So these are some neat statistics as well, so you can analyze how your recruitment is going. So that was the reports section.